They're number one. They're number one. Yes, guys, Congress did it. They have now have the record for the longest shutdown in government history. Let's give those yahoos a round of applause. You know, if Tuesday was any kind of tell for the country, it's just funny. It's like who's ever in office for a while, like people get sick of them in power, they screw stuff up, and then they vote for the other party. Like I don't see anybody actually voting for people that they care about. Like it's just these people messed it up, so now let's vote for this person messed it up, so now let's vote for the other guys. Like let's get some new people in. I don't know how to do it, but gosh, let's get somebody in who cares about us. And in economic news, so we had a little bit of mixed bag of data in the services and non-services sector for inflation this week. But all the way since last Wednesday, or 2 Wednesdays ago, when the Fed cut rates have been slowly moving up. Again, I've talked about it enough on how that works, but your credit cards went down, some other things went down. Your mortgage rates don't go down when the Fed cuts rates. And so they've been drifting up on the news that I told you about last week. So up until Thursday, when we got the challengers layoffs number, completely different than the jobs report, because we need the government to be open and the Bureau of Labor Statistics to be open to actually get that number. But it's the highest number in layoffs since COVID, and so we saw some reprieve in mortgage rates moving up and mortgage-backed security pricing getting worse. So we'll kind of see how it happens. That, I've heard some rumors from a couple senators, not that they called me personally, but just in watching some of the news, that they think the shutdown could be over on Sunday, which, it makes sense now that they got the record. What's the point of keeping it shut down anymore? Anyway, if you need anything, I'm here for you. I've been helping people who donating to charities, donating to food banks and pantries. If you're in my network and you need something, let me know. I'm here to help you. And if you've got a little bit of extra cash right now, you should really consider giving money to a local food pantry, because there's a lot of people who are having trouble. Well, there's always a lot of people who have trouble eating and feeding themselves, but there's even more so now. As always, I'm Zalmanoff. Peace out.